Hi, how are you? Today we're going to look at how to cancel a pending payment in Capital One. Okay, this process is going to be pretty simple, but at the same time, it may work for you or it may not. So keep that in mind. First of all, in these kinds of cases, we always have to contact Capital One. Yes, we always have to do that so that they can assist us with more specific or targeted help. For example, in this case, what we're going to do is search here. And here we already have what would be this right here. Once we've searched for this, we click here. And well, here it basically gives us a series of information that we basically have to call this number to do what would be a dispute, open a dispute, okay? And here, we need to make absolutely certain that prior to formally filing the official dispute, we thoroughly check all of our recent transactions and carefully verify that the specific transaction in question clearly appears as a legitimate charge on our financial account. And once we call here, we are going to say that we want to open a dispute for one of the transfers that has occurred on our account, and that's it. If this video helped you, please comment and subscribe.